That dog is older than you. Because he's been dead longer than you are old.
Special 100
Been dead longer than 15 years.
Yeah. Well, he didn't die long after Tupac. Look at Deb's over there getting her groove on.
No, I don't go behind her, I go behind the camera.
Yeah, everybody dances behind the camera. Chicken shit.
We don't want to take your spotlight.
No, do it. Try. Come on, bring it on now. Now we're gonna have a dance battle. Talking over there, talking smack. Can't show. Back up your words, son.
I'm your kid, alright?
Back up your words. Yeah, I back my words up. Twerk, right?
Twerk. Oh my god.
Oh, I can work.
Oh.
Okay.
What? He's twerking? What? Okay.
I can't twerk.
Hey, I don't twerk on here either. Kiss my ass. Twerking. What?
I don't want to see no dudes twerking.
I ain't twerking.
I don't want to see dudes
Yeah, we don't want to see dudes twerking. It's not a good look. It's not a good look, guys. I don't think so, anyways. I'm not gonna go, oh, look at him, he can twerk.
It was great. Maybe I'll practice this one.
Now, if he can do some other kind of dancing, hell yeah. All right, so while your wieners are cooking, while your wieners are browning, round trip ticket to Dingy Bang Land. What? I don't remember them saying that. This is 69 Boys here. They're local Orlando boys. I wonder if they're still alive. Anybody know? Okay, so you get your hot dog bun. And since we butterflied that hot dog, oh look at, I already messed it up. So anyways, you're not supposed to peel it apart, okay? It just kind of happened. Oops. So you get your hot dog bun. I'm gonna put it on wax paper. And then you're gonna cover it up one side and smush it. Smush it. Okay, so you got your smush bun. Smush bun. Ding-a-ling-ling. All right. So there's one. Now we need to do another one because it's more like a sandwich. Let me see if I can keep this one together. I did it. Ooh, come on. Turd picked these songs. I think I picked this song though, but he picked most of the songs on here. This is our car party playlist. All right, smush another one. I think I should have bought another pack of buns. You get him here all riled up. Stop it. You're gonna come in here and try to hump me. I hope he tries to hump you then. All right, now you got your two smushed halves. What? You're not his type? I beg to differ. He seems to like to hump dudes too. It doesn't discriminate.
Never not me.
What?
Not me.
Like a lot of people I know. What'd you say?
Not me.
He doesn't like other animals much though. He prefers humans. It's kind of strange. Alright, so what I'm doing is flipping my dogs and flipping my wieners. Now, with this, with your smushed hot dog bun, with your butter, some spreadable butter. Let me turn it a little bit so you can see. Okay. And I need a butter knife. That's right. But I miss baby. Alright. Get you a good amount of butter on here. Y'all know how to make grilled cheese. You should be able to know how to make freaking grilled cheese. Alright. Slap that on the outside of your bun. The outside of it. Yeah, a round trip ticket to Ding-a-ling land. Some shit like that. Okay. Now you got your buttered half. And I'm gonna face down. Okay, butter down. Alright, we already heard that. Put out something else. I heard this last time. Yeah, I did. Alright, and now go ahead and butter your other half. You can make me dance to this.
Do the Cabbage Patch.
I don't want to. I already did the Cabbage Patch last time. You come do the Cabbage Patch. Show me how it's done.
I do the Cabbage Patch.
It's something like this. And you gotta make the stupid face while you're doing it too. You gotta stick the tongue out. It's, you have to. What? You had what? You don't know how to do it? Cabbage Patch? I can't, I'm not gonna get all into it, but I could. Okay. I think these dogs about done. Because you just browning them a little bit. Alright. See, they're kind of grilled, right? Hot dogs grilled. Now, you got your first half down. So, get you some cheese. You can put that down first.
You have the wrong one. Never mind.
What?
Never mind.
I didn't put it on yet. Oh, and I have some chili in the back cooking. Let me put it up some more now. See, now it's too freaking low. Alright, so cheddar on there. And you can put some Munster. Maybe you can kind of see there. Alright, Munster, which is what they put on pizza along with mozzarella for you who don't know that. Because this actually makes it stringy because the mozzarella they put on your pizza is 2%. Alright, so I'm going to slap that on there too. Go ahead and turn this on. Where's my grabby? Where's my picker-upper thingy? I lost him. Okay. Get your grilled hot dog. Slap that on there. Now you want to put more cheese. Get some more cheddar. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, yo. Well, there was a lot of yo's in the 90s. Huh? Right? Wasn't there? They said yo, 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 yo a lot. Yo, 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 yo. Alright, I'm not going to put it more Munster. Just more cheddar. Now, you get your other half. You slap that on top, okay? Now I'll show it to you so you see how pretty. You see? Let me zoom. Okay, there's the masterpiece, right? Now all that cheese that's hanging off is gonna get all nice and grilly and yummy and shit. Okay? It probably makes it so you can't actually poop for a little while because there's a lot of cheese. But anyway, so it's still good, worth it. So we let that cook. That's about it. You're good. You know how I make grilled cheese when it starts melting? Smush it a little bit and then flip that thing over. But this is gonna be a whole lot better than just regular grilled cheese. And then you let some of it cook over the bread onto the pan. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. It actually is gonna be yummy. And let it get all crispy on it. And then I put some hot dog chili that I'm gonna put on the side, and they can eat it with the grilled cheese. That's about it. Oh, and I'm making fries too. Actually, is that hot yet? See how easy? That's it, guys. Eat quick and easy and yummy and cheap. Anyways, there's your grilled cheese hot dog. I think it's about time for me to flip. Let me see. Hey, what happened to my big fat spatula? There it is. I bought this the other day. It's as big as my freaking face. Look at that. That's awesome. It's good for making quesadillas. Why did you turn off Beastie Boys? You playing all other kinds of crap, and then you turn off Beasties? Okay, let me see if it's ready to flip. I don't think so. Needs to melt more. So anyways, you can also feel free to message me your questions, because I have a couple that I didn't get to do yesterday that I'm going to do next Tuesday or next Wednesday. Sorry, next hump day. And so feel free to message them. Oh, and also we had a little trouble with the phone. Anybody? Oh, I don't know the phone number. Phone number is 407-255-3026. It's pretty freaking easy. It's easy. 407-255-3026. To make it even easier, go to the sweet spot. Yeah, don't only call during showtime. Okay, when I tell you to. You bug my kid and I'll kick your ass. So, you can also go to the Sweet Spot page if you haven't already liked it, and it says call now. That's it. It's that easy. Press the button. You guys know how to click on them little buttons on there. It's the same button that you hit when you start your porn. Just click on the button. It says call now. And then it'll ring the phone. Okay? So, I wish some of you would have called and really had a discussion with me with Stealthing the other night, or last night, because of Mr. PC Lee. Yeah, somebody needed to help me out there. And so anyways, enough about that. But I did have a drink last night. That helped. So, let me see if I can put this. I'm going to see if I can put this. Without it falling apart. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I did it. I got a little butter on my hands, but I did it. All right. I'll let you look at it now too. Let's see. All right, there it is, flipped over. See how the cheese is coming out of the sides, and it looks all yummy on that side now. That is perfect. Perfect. So now you let it cook on that side. So anyways, there's your grilled cheese. It looks like it's almost done. I'll show you from the outside. See, it's grilling. See, it's grilling. You gotta let it grill on now. That's it, because I'm being lazy and I have a lot, I've got, like I said, something important going on here. Alright guys, I love you. Thanks for watching.